Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to send GIFs in Slack. So let's get started. Begin by navigating to the channel or conversation where you want to send GIF. Now go to a GIF site and choose a GIF. Click on it, then click on the share button. Now copy the link for the GIF. Go back to your conversation and paste the GIF. Press enter. And there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.